Computer science has become increasingly important in today's age due to the widespread use of computers and technology in virtually every aspect of modern life. From business and finance to healthcare and education, computer science plays a critical role in advancing and improving these industries. One of the most significant benefits of computer science is its ability to automate tasks and processes that were once performed manually, making them more efficient and accurate. This has led to significant productivity gains in many industries, reducing costs and increasing output. For example, in finance, computer algorithms can quickly analyze large amounts of data to identify trends and make investment decisions, while in healthcare, electronic medical records and diagnostic tools can help doctors diagnose and treat patients more effectively. Computer science is also critical for developing new technologies and advancing innovation. From artificial intelligence and machine learning to virtual and augmented reality, computer scientists are at the forefront of developing new technologies that have the potential to transform the way we live, work, and interact with each other. Furthermore, computer science is vital for cybersecurity, which is becoming increasingly important in today's age of digital threats. Computer scientists develop and implement security measures to protect against cyber attacks, including encryption, firewalls, and intrusion detection systems. In addition to its practical applications, computer science is also important for developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. The field requires a deep understanding of complex algorithms, data structures, and programming languages, as well as the ability to think creatively and approach problems from multiple angles. These skills are highly valued in today's job market, where demand for computer scientists and other technology professionals is high. Overall, computer science is critical in today's age for driving innovation, improving efficiency, and enhancing security across a range of industries. As technology continues to advance and play an even more significant role in our lives, the importance of computer science is only set to increase.